Hello everybody! Hi, this is Mr. Al again and I'm stuck in my classroom. So sad. But I hope all of you guys are in the good condition in your house. And are you ready to learn about art today? Alright, for grade 5, this is your assignment today, okay? I actually need your help to investigate who is Leonardo da Vinci is. Okay, I don't actually, to be honest, I know that he is one of the famous artists in the world, but to be honest, so detailed I don't really understand and I don't really know him. I just know that he, Leonardo da Vinci, and what else? Picasso, and then I don't. Yeah, I just only have a limited information about the famous artists. So I need your help to compile some of the information about Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, was Leonardo da Vinci is real, or what did Leonardo da Vinci die of, or how much is the Mona Lisa worth, something like that. Okay, this is a very free task to do. You can improvise, you can do whatever you want as long as you get at least 8 informations about him. It is very appreciated if you can find the very secret or very the hidden secret about him. Maybe his family's life, or his maybe he's have a disease, why that he died, and then something like that. Okay, so I want you to compile the information about Leonardo da Vinci, at least 8 information, and you can make it as a presentation in the PowerPoint, or you just use Microsoft Word, or you just grab some paper and then write down or using your own sentences. Okay, if you can attach the photos also from the Google Classroom, it will be good, because to be honest, I just only know that Leonardo da Vinci have a very long beard and then using a very classic cloth or something like that. But if you can find another photos that support your presentation, it will be great. Okay, then good luck for you guys. Don't forget to just submit your work on time. I mean that right away after you're done, so you will not get a lot of something to do later on. Alright then, have a nice day. I will be online today, so please call me through live chat, anything. Okay, go. Thank you. Bye bye.